This is Victoria Chambers, Court Operations Officer for the 419th District Court. I am either on the phone or away from my desk. Please leave me a message with your name, your phone number, and your cause number, and I will return your phone call as soon as I can. You may also email me at victoria.chambers@traviscountytx.gov. Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
My name is Jeff Morgan. I was watching the case that Judge, or the lady who's acting as a judge, Mauzy, was overseeing or hearing regarding Terrence Champagne and Ray Cow. And I saw the way that she kowtowed and listened to attorney Daryl Weinman. It was ridiculous what she did. She is violating the public's right to watch this court hearing. I will be filing a complaint with her with the State Commission on Judicial Conduct. I will also be filing complaints. I'm going to have many people file complaints. She is depriving the public of their rights. And this is what Ben Ferguson wrote. I'm sorry that she wants to act like a judge god, but she is not. Terrence Champagne has a right to have a public hearing. And your rules, the rules of her court, do not abrogate or supersede his constitutional right to a public trial. I'm letting you know that this whole thing is going to be reported and it will be disseminated widely. I will make sure that legislators get to see it. I will make sure that she becomes famous because of this action. Daryl Weinman is a lying attorney. We have proof of that as well. As far as I'm concerned, that's my opinion about her. We will put all of this stuff out. Thank you very much.
Thank you for calling the State Commission on Judicial Conduct. Para Español, oprima 9. If you would like to know how to file a complaint regarding a Texas judge or obtain information about the Commission, please visit our website at www.scjc.texas.gov. If you are a Texas judge calling for non-binding ethics advice, please press 1. If you are calling about an existing complaint, please press 2. If you have a complaint about an attorney, please press 3 to be connected to the State Bar of Texas's Office of the Chief Disciplinary Counsel, as the Commission is not authorized to investigate complaints about attorneys. For all other inquiries, press 4. Thank you for calling the... Wait while I transfer your call. Thank you for calling the State Commission on Judicial Conduct. At the present time, you may receive a quicker response by sending an email to information@scjc.texas.gov. Thank you. Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Hi, my name is Jeff Morgan. I am here to report Judge Catherine Mauzy of the 419th District Court in Travis County. I was watching a hearing with Terrence Champagne and Ray Cow, and she cut the hearing. She deprived the public the right of access. And this was at the request of attorney Daryl Weinman, who in my opinion has been a very abusive and exploitive attorney. Terrence Champagne has a right to have a public trial, even in this matter. They tried to make it sound like he had no right. And yet Judge Ferguson, as he wrote last year during COVID, and expounded on the open court doctrine, it expands not just to criminal cases, but also to issues of family law. The burden of proof is upon the judge is to show why she cut the feed and she deprived the public and the press, the media, of their right to monitor this hearing. I'm filing the complaint against her. We will also have many people filing complaints against her. I will be doing it very publicly. I will do it online as well as this phone call. I will also be filing a bar complaint against Daryl Weinman because of her abusive behavior. Thank you very much. By the way, my name is Jeff Morgan, and I will follow up with an email, but this is happening right now. In the 419th District Court, Judge Catherine Mauzy right now is depriving the public of their rights to access this hearing, and is depriving Terrence Champagne his right to have a public trial. Thank you.
Website?
scjc.gov, I believe. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's www www.scjc.texas, but spell out Texas.
Got it.
.gov.
Okay.
And our form is on there. Just go ahead and file your complaint, because we can't do anything until we get your complaint.
Okay, so now, so basically, let me just make sure that I have this right. So even though this is happening right now, it's in progress right now, that Kathy Mauzy is actually doing this. She's conducting a hearing. She's conducting a star chamber. And I know the person who's there is going to make some criminal allegations, I believe, against the attorney on the other side. And the judge has decided to make this whole thing private. I think that the reason that the attorney is doing this is because she may realize that there's going to be some things up there, and she does not want her name smeared. And I was surprised, because it was almost like basically whatever the attorney wanted, the judge was going to do. This was all a show. This was a show and a half. And but anyway, I will definitely. How do I get this addressed quickly? Because usually when I have filed,
sir, all the complaints that we get, they are taken in the order they are received, and we do get a lot of them. So that's why it's important for you to file your complaint.
Got it.
So just go ahead and go into our website, file your complaint, and wait for you to get because you're going to be assigned a case number with us.
Right.
So just do that, okay?
So can I ask another question? Because I've filed complaints against a couple of judges in the past, and it takes a year and a half.
It just depends on your concerns or your allegations and the length of the investigation.
There was one judge that I thought.
So just go ahead and file your complaint.
Okay, I'll do that, and I'll have other people do it as well. But there was one judge that was yeah. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Reach Kelly Shannon's voicemail. Please leave me a message, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hi, Kelly. This is Jeff Morgan. I don't know if you remember me or not, but Terrence Champagne and I were one of the 2 people that attended the Freedom of Information conference in, I think it was in September. I don't remember. September, I believe, down in Austin. And you'd mentioned that, you never get any type of civilians in there. Anyway, I just thought you might be interested in this. Taryn was actually in court right now, and the Judge Catherine Mauzy of the 419th District Court, intentionally cut the feed because she did not want the public to see what was going on. And she did this at the behest of Daryl Weinman, who was the attorney for Taryn's ex-wife. Daryl Weinman, I believe, has encouraged some criminal activity. She is not a very upright person, in my opinion. But it was very, very interesting to watch it. Anyway, I don't know if this is something that you're interested in seeing exactly what took place. I would love to send you the video of it. It is incredible what she did. And I don't know if this is something that, because of what's going on right now, we talked with, I can't remember who it was, one of the attorneys said that we need to have our courts open. And Roy Ferguson says that too. This is exactly why. Right now she is conducting a star chamber. Taryn's right to public access, or to public trial or hearing, whatever, is being denied him right now. And the public's right to actually observe and oversee and monitor the courts is being completely abrogated at this point in time. And this was done intentionally and willfully, deliberatively, by Judge Catherine Mauzy of the 419th District Court in Travis County. And I will be able to provide you the video feed, and if you want to comment on it, that would be fine, but I am going to put this out because this is what we've been talking about with our courts. The judges have been simply awful, atrocious, and they do a lot of evil things behind closed doors. Anyway, appreciate it. Thanks so much. Bye.